I went on a hunt today to try and find the best mall in all of Bangkok, and I think I may have found it.
So this is a brand new mall. It's called Sphere,
which is an insanely large mall. It spans across 200,000 square meters, 300 stores with the most incredible food vendors in the food court.
I'm just constantly blown away by Bangkok, you guys, honestly. It could definitely be overwhelming if you've never been to Bangkok before because the options are endless of food spots you can eat.
I got these award-winning gyozas and they were amazing.
This mall is just never ending. It's insane.
This mall really has everything, including these cool niche stores and, of course, a gigantic IKEA.
Is this IKEA? Oh no, Dad, this is IKEA, I think.
It was on
the entrance. So yes, you might be saying, well, why are you coming to Thailand and going to IKEA? But you guys have to understand, I love IKEA. I think IKEA is fantastic. And they have ice cream for 30 cents. So do I need to say more? No.
Oh, so many flavors. This is amazing.
They literally have cotton candy ice cream here, and you can put candy on top of it. I'm in heaven. 29 baht. Wow, what an absolute treat. Oh my god, that's amazing. What'd you get?
Just all these candies.
Oh, I think we just know what we're looking for. IKEA merch. How fun is this? How fun is this? This is really... Like this. My dad's over there in a fake bedroom trying a shirt on. He has no shirt on at the moment. Just in your room trying some things on. For 1,500 baht, you can get an entire box of merch.
197 baht, sir.
We have officially secured the goods. Let me know, would you guys fly all this way for the sole purpose of coming to IKEA and buying that t-shirt?
If you guys have ever thought about coming to Bangkok for your birthday, here is what a night out is to celebrate it. So a lot of people, when they come to Bangkok, they think going out is Khao San Road. There are so many cool rooftops that are great to come for sunset, for night out. We're going to one of the newer, more popular ones, and I'm going to show you what it's like.
One thing there is no shortage of in Bangkok is rooftop bars. And whenever anyone asks me what's the #1 thing they should do in Bangkok, I always recommend that you visit a rooftop because it is by far the best view you'll get of the city. Yes, you're going to overpay for drinks, but honestly, it is worth it for the view. I do have a whole separate video that I had done in the past that I'm going to link below, so if you want to check those out. But if you only have time to go to one, definitely go to this one. It's my new favorite, and it is incredible to say the least.